How to fix laptop battery that's stuck on 0% and not charging. Let's get started. So, the very first method is to reinstall the battery drivers. Right click on the Start menu, then select Device Manager from here. In Search here, you want to go ahead and simply expand Battery section and then locate Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Right click onto it, then simply tap on Uninstall Device, then confirm it by tapping on Uninstall again. Once it is removed, simply select Battery, then simply tap on Action, then select Scan for hardware changes. Window will automatically reinstall the battery driver. Now check if your laptop is charging normally or not. If it still continues, you can simply try a power reset. Shut down your laptop completely, and once it is off, you can press and hold the power button for about 45 seconds. Continue holding it even if the screen remains black. After 45 seconds, release the button and turn your laptop back on. This process can help clear power-related issues that may be preventing the battery from charging properly. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.